Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. Today we're going to be showing you how to create human-like voiceovers using an AI online software today. So without wasting time, the first thing you need to do is go to this website called wellsaidlabs.com. So once you are here, all you need to do is create an account with them, sign up and create an account. And once you have created an account, you will land on a page like this. And the first thing you need to do is create a new project by clicking on this plus sign right here. But in this tutorial, we're not going to be creating a new project. We're going to be starting with a project we have already created. So right now, once you have created a project, all you need to do is click on that project. And you land on a page like this. So the next thing you need to do is get a topic that you want to create the voiceover about. So in this video, we're going to go to Google. I have chosen a topic I want to write about, which is aging and health. I'm going to be doing a voiceover about aging and health. So I'm going to hit enter. All I need to do is do the research, and I'm going to click on the first link. So all I need to do is to scroll down and then gather the information that I need on this page and put them together. So in this video, I'm going to copy from here to here, and then I'm going to right click and then copy. And then the next thing you need to do is to edit this topic. You have to make it your own. So I'm going to be showing you a free software. I'm going to be showing you a software called spinboard.com, which will help you to rewrite the blog post you have just copied. So go to this website, spinboard.com, right here. And then once you are here, you need to turn off your ad blocker in order to use this software for free. So once you are here on this website, all you need to do is to click right here and paste in what you have copied. And once you click and you paste it, all you need to do is click on this button which says spin it. And then once you click, so you will have to go through this test by dragging the button down here and fixing the puzzle in the main center. And once you're done, it will spin your write-up and give you a different kind of write-up. It will rewrite your blog post and give you a different write-up that you can use. So all you need to do is copy this and then take it to your wellsaidlabs.com and paste it right in there. And all you need to do is come down, click on create. And once you have created it, and you get down here, and once you're down here, you realize that it is creating the voiceover. And once it is done, you will see that it is loaded. And once it is done, you can play it.
Individuals overall are living longer. Today, the vast majority can hope to live into their 60s.
As you can hear, the voices are so real, and you cannot even dictate if it's not a human voice or not. So once you're done, you can click right here and download it and use it. And actually, if you want to upgrade, and actually you can use this software for 7 days free and 49 clips remaining, because once you have downloaded 50 clips, you will have to upgrade to another version. So guys, this is beautiful to use. So this is how you can use an AI voice and make the best out of your work or any project. So guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.